Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well as always, and I am just making a quick video for you today in Silhouette Studio in regards to doing text to path. So where you want your text to take on a certain shape, and I'll just do something very simple here. So I do use Silhouette Studio Business Edition, so if any of these features that you see me using are not available, you may need to upgrade your software. And so what I'm doing here is just taking the oval shape, drawing an oval, grabbing a font that I want to use. I just use a simple font, not a script font. Script fonts don't do incredibly well with this, but you can play around with it to get it to work. It just depends on what you're doing. So just typing. I'll turn this to black so you can see what I'm doing. So what you do is, while you have not welded or altered your text at all, you just simply double click on it and you will see this icon that you can move it, and you just simply put it onto the shape. So, and you can move it back and forth. You can put it on the inside. You can take this bar here to move it inward or outward. And then to release it, so once you've got it where you want it, to release it, the simplest way is to ungroup. So Control-Shift-G, and then Control-G to group your text together again, and just simply move the oval. So that's the simplest way to do that. I did not weld my text because it's not a script font, and it didn't need to be welded. If you're working with a script font, you just need to play around with it, move it out, move it in, and you may find that certain script fonts just won't work with text to path. So it just depends on what you're doing. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.